Side salad, uncovered. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of English food vocabulary. Have you ever heard the phrase, side salad, in a restaurant or in a recipe? Wondered what it means? By the end of this video, you'll know all about it. Side salad is a combination of two words, side and salad. Let's break them down. Side. This refers to something that is secondary or additional to the main thing. In the context of food, a side is usually an extra dish that complements the main course. Salad. A cold dish of various mixtures of raw or cooked vegetables, usually seasoned with oil, vinegar, or other dressing. It can also contain meat, fish, or other ingredients. So, when you put them together, side salad is a smaller salad dish that usually accompanies the main course. It's not the star of the show, but it adds flavor, color, and nutrition to your meal. Now that you know what it means, let's discuss when and where you might come across this phrase. 1. Restaurants. Often, when you order a main dish, the waiter might ask if you'd like a side salad with it. This is an additional dish, sometimes at an extra cost. 2. Parties and gatherings. At social events with meals, there might be a main dish, and several sides, one of which could be a side salad. 3. Cookbooks and recipe sites. If a recipe suggests serving a dish with a side salad, it means preparing a small salad to go along with the main dish. There you have it, the mystery of the side salad unraveled. Now, whether you're ordering at a restaurant or planning a meal, you'll know exactly what a side salad is. We hope this video has added a fresh layer to your English vocabulary. Keep munching on new words, and until next time, happy learning!